Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Huddle Mode or the Hospitality Mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do this, on your remote control, you have to press the combination of the mute button, which is located right under the plus sign, then up, down, OK, and then mute button again. So let's try this. Mute, up, down, OK, mute. Then wait for a couple of moments, and this menu will appear in the top left corner of your device's screen. And you will see that the first option there is the hospitality mode. To switch it on, press the right button on your remote control. It will set the hospitality mode to on. Then hold down your power button to switch your device off. Then wait for a couple of moments and press the power button once again. And once your device turns on, the Huddle Mode will be enabled and the changes will be applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.